This is going to blow your mind. The UAE's new visa rules are changing lives, one family at a time. The UAE's latest visa changes are truly a game changer for expat families. For Awais Ahmed, an engineer in Dubai, it means his parents can now visit and stay longer with his wife and kids. Now they can come anytime, not just through video calls, he says, beaming with joy. Mohammed Shoaib, working in Ajman, echoes this sentiment. The new rules make it so much easier to have family over for important events or emergencies. No more mountains of paperwork or waiting for approvals. He can finally breathe a sigh of relief. For many Pakistani residents, this visa change is like a dream come true. Fariya says, "We've waited so long for this moment, it means the world to us." While these changes bring immense joy to some, they also highlight the UAE's commitment to fostering strong, supportive communities. And let's not forget the Golden Visa program attracting top talent and professionals, making the UAE a true hub of opportunity and innovation. So whether it's reuniting with loved ones, celebrating milestones, or simply enjoying more quality time together, the new visa rules are reshaping the future for many families. Because in the end, it's all about making those precious connections that much stronger.